Here we have this 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now it comes with a 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport caliper design behind. We've got the LED headlights at the front with the black kidney grills, the front splitter at the bottom. We've also got the front and rear parking sensors with an in-car audible and visual display. There is a look at the second wheel just there. This car also comes with £5,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. One to mention is the M Sport Plus package. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top, and we've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. Onto the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the blue stitching, Isofix points and the armrest in the centre, vents in the centre for the passengers. We've also got the black leather door cards with the blue stitching with the electric windows, and we've also got the chrome door handles with the trim just there. Onto the front seats, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the blue stitching. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable, and there is the electric function just there. We've got the electric folding mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear. We've also got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume with the Bluetooth phone connectivity on the right hand side with the paddle shift. Onto the main screen, you can see we've got the Bluetooth media with the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity and the satellite navigation. I'll just show you the display there of the map. There we go. If you go across to my vehicle, onto vehicle settings and lights, you'll be able to see the ambient lighting here. We can also change the colour of that. I'm going to stick with blue at the moment as that is my favourite colour. Moving down, you can see we've also got the dual climate control. We've got the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the air conditioning and the heated rear window there also. We've got the cup holders with the USB, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if you just press this button, comes up on screen the different drive modes in which this car can be driven. We've also got the dial with the manual functions for the screen just there. We've got the parking brake and the automatic hold. Traction control. If I just pop this car into reverse, you'll be able to see the sensors on screen there. Popping it back into neutral to keep this car safe. And that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel, we're not veering off to the left or the right, we're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now if you like listening to your favourite music playlist or a podcast, then you'll be listening on the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. It really does sound great. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume and the paddle shift on the right hand side. If you want to drive this car manually, you can go up and down the gears with the paddle shifts. We've also got the digital dashboard ahead, so that when you change the drive modes on this vehicle, which you do here in the center, you can go from Eco, Pro, Comfort or Sport. It also changes the way the clocks on the dashboard look. We've got the satellite navigation in the center with all the other functions which you'll have seen on the website. We've got the dual climate control with the air conditioning and the heated rear windows, and we've also got the heated seats which are perfect for those wintry mornings. We've got the nice all black leather seats which are very comfortable, and you probably do 200, 300, 400 miles and still get out feeling pretty fresh. Now I'm just taking a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Straight into reverse, you can see we've got the sensors just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If you've got any queries or questions about this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.